In today's video, we are going to share which email marketing service is better, ActiveCampaign or ConvertKit. Now, there are so many different types of email marketing services like MailChimp, HubSpot, and many more. But these are just two of the popular ones, and we actually have other videos on the channel where we talk about the other popular ones as well, so be sure to check those out. We'll leave them linked down below in the description. And before we get started into the video, we'll have links to both ActiveCampaign and ConvertKit down below in the description. If you use our ActiveCampaign link, you get a 14-day free trial and then 15% off your annual subscription. And if you do choose to use our special links, we will get a small referral fee at no additional cost to you. This really helps us keep creating free videos like this, so thank you so much in advance for helping out with that. In this video, we're going to share what an email marketing service is, why you would need one to help scale your business, and we're going to go over the pros, cons, and features of both platforms to see which one is best. We're also going to discuss some of the things on each platform that differentiate it from its competitors, like pricing and ease of use. Now, before we get into both of these platforms, let's discuss how email marketing works. Email marketing is a form of marketing where you send emails to notify your subscriber base about goods, services, or any other products that you might have. Now, practically, this is done through a software by building customizable templates, sending campaigns, and gathering data on your subscribers. One of the best features of email marketing is segmentation and personalization. Basically, you can break down your master list into certain funnels that help organize and personalize the messages for subscribers in a specific group. When you target the subscriber in a specific way like this, they're more likely to engage with your emails and open them. Now that we know what email marketing services do, let's go over an overview of both ActiveCampaign and ConvertKit. And we're going to show you some of the main features, the pros and cons for both platforms. Let's start out with ActiveCampaign. So there's really two main reasons why people choose to use ActiveCampaign over other email marketing services. The first reason is that they have a very high deliverability rate. This just means that the email that you are sending is very likely to be delivered to the inbox of your intended recipient. Now, you might be wondering why this is an issue. If you're sending an email, it should get to the person that you wanted to send it to. But in email marketing, companies have trouble sometimes with spam alerts from the email providers. And ActiveCampaign just has a couple unique tools that help them ensure a high deliverability rate. The second main reason why people use ActiveCampaign over other email marketing services are their automation features for their emails. Now, I won't go into too much detail about the automation feature that ActiveCampaign has, but it is a really neat tool that you must learn how to use if you have ActiveCampaign. We have a whole beginner's course on the channel where we dive deep into how to use the automation feature on ActiveCampaign, so we'll leave that in the link below and be sure to check that out if you're interested. This feature basically sends each subscriber through a decision tree, which is going to tailor the experience exactly for them to make sure that they're getting the emails that correspond best with their behavior. So for example, if they've never opened one of your emails, you can tailor a specific set of emails to be sent to the people that don't open versus the people that are currently interacting with your emails. That deep automation feature is great, and this also comes with good personalization and segmentation. This automation feature just allows you to personalize and segment your master list down into smaller groups. ActiveCampaign has amazing integration capabilities as well. The platform is actually able to integrate with over 850 third-party apps. Another neat tool about ActiveCampaign is their A/B split testing. This basically means that you can send two versions of the same email to different groups of people to see which has a better open rate. Now that you know some of the main features of ActiveCampaign, let's discuss some of the pros of the platform. Like we said earlier, the biggest pro is going to be the highly customizable automation feature. ActiveCampaign really has the best automation feature in the business, and it allows you to customize your email decision tree down to a very fine detail. ActiveCampaign also has comprehensive reporting. They have a lot of great tools within their analytics tab that will give you very deep detail on your emails. They also have great third-party integration like we just spoke about, and they have great customer support, and they actually have a chat box in the app as well that appears on the dashboard. And like we said, if you use our code, you get a 14-day free trial, and after that you get 15% off your annual subscription. So be sure to use that link if you think you want to start with ActiveCampaign. Let's go over some of the cons of ActiveCampaign. Now, the first con is the learning curve. ActiveCampaign isn't extremely hard to figure out, but there is a bit of a learning curve, especially with the automation features. If you've never coded or aren't familiar with decision trees, then it might take a little bit of time to learn how to do them. But it's nothing too complicated that you can't figure out. And with ActiveCampaign's very seamless and easy to use interface, it helps a lot with the learning curve. The second con is pricing. Although ActiveCampaign offers a truly robust set of features, it can get a little bit pricey per month if you're going with the higher end plans. But the good news is when you're just starting out, those lower tier plans that we're going to discuss here in a second are going to be just fine for what you need. Now that we've discussed the pros and cons of ActiveCampaign, let's go ahead and click on that link down below in the description and we'll show you how to set up an account with ActiveCampaign. So once you've clicked on that link down below in the description, it should bring you to the landing page here where you see StartupWise subscribers are going to save 15%, and that's off your annual subscription. Let's get started here and go ahead and enter our email address. Once you've done that, go ahead and click Start Your Free Trial. Now we'll go ahead and enter our name here and then our phone number as well. Next, it's just going to ask us a couple of questions to help personalize the platform for our specific situation. So let's go ahead and select how many contacts we have. Let's just say it's under 500 for the sake of this video. And now we have to answer how many employees we have. Let's just say 1 for now. And then you can go ahead and choose the industry that you're in. Next, it's going to ask us to confirm our email. So let's do that now. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and select a password. And after that, it's just going to ask you a couple of questions about what you want to get out of your trial. You can go ahead and skip these if you don't want to answer them. Once you're finished with that, you will be on the dashboard for ActiveCampaign. Now there's a lot of functionality and all the tools are over here on the left-hand side. We won't go into too much detail right now because like I said, we have that full video of the beginner's course for you that we'll leave linked down below in the description. Let's talk about some of the main features of ConvertKit now. ConvertKit was created as an all-in-one platform for creators. One of the main features is email marketing. You're going to be able to create and send email campaigns with ease. Then there's subscriber management. This is going to allow you to tag and segment subscribers so that you can personalize your communication for them. ConvertKit also has automated workflows, and it actually allows you to build everything from simple to advanced automation sequences. ConvertKit also has landing pages and forms. Very similar to ActiveCampaign, you can design your own form and landing page for your newsletter. Or if you don't have a newsletter, whatever type of email marketing you have. ConvertKit also has great integrations as well. So they have plenty of third-party apps that you're able to connect just like ActiveCampaign. ConvertKit also has e-commerce features. This is going to allow you to sell digital products and subscriptions straight from their platform, which is a really neat tool. And lastly, ConvertKit has analytics and reporting that's going to help you understand your audience better. You're going to be able to track email performance and subscriber engagement. As you can see, ConvertKit is really a one-stop shop, all-in-one option to help creators really cultivate their community. Now that we've gone over some of the main features of the ConvertKit platform, let's talk about some of the pros and cons. The first pro is ease of use. ConvertKit was created with the blogger and creators in mind, so it has an extremely easy to use interface. ConvertKit also has powerful automation. Now, ConvertKit doesn't have as strong of automation features as ActiveCampaign, but like we said earlier, ActiveCampaign really is the best in the business when it comes to automation for your email marketing. With that said though, ConvertKit's automation features are still good, and they actually have really neat visual workflows, which is a cool plus. The next pro is effective segmentation. ConvertKit is great for simple tagging and segmentation for your emails. And lastly, the integration options, especially for creators, are amazing with ConvertKit. Let's talk about some of the cons of ConvertKit. The first con of ConvertKit is the limited design flexibility. Compared to some of its competitors like HubSpot, ConvertKit has fewer design customization options. ConvertKit also has higher costs for larger lists. This is very common for the more people that you have in your list, the higher the price will be per month, but ConvertKit is above most of the competitors. The second con is higher cost for larger lists. Pricing for your list can get pretty expensive as it grows. This is also common with other platforms too, but it's just important to keep in mind. The third con is basic reporting features. Compared to some of the other options like ActiveCampaign, the reporting features on ConvertKit aren't as good. They're just a little bit less advanced, so if you want something more powerful to really see the insight on the data that the platform has to provide, then you might want to go with something like ActiveCampaign. Now that we've discussed some of the pros and cons of ConvertKit, let's hop into the platform and show you how to get started. Once you click on the link down below, it should bring you to this landing page here where you can watch a demo and get started for free. Now just know that there's a 14-day free trial with no credit card required, so it's really at no risk to you. Let's go ahead and click Get Started Free. Now it's going to bring us to this page to create our account, so let's go ahead and enter our name, email, and password here now. Once we've done that, it's going to ask us a couple questions here. We can just say that we're just starting out. Now it's going to ask how big our audience is. Let's say we're just starting out here again. And then it's going to ask us our business name. So let's go ahead and enter that here. Now you're going to be able to choose a custom domain on ConvertKit's website. You can either type it in or just leave the one that they gave you. Then it's going to ask us what type of creator you are. So you can go ahead and fill this information in now. And you can actually choose up to 3 here. Now it's going to ask you what your main goal is with ConvertKit. So they have grow my list, send emails, earn an income, or you just want to look around. Choose one of those, and when you're finished finished, go ahead and click continue. And now you can put in the URL to your website as well as some of your social media pages if you like. Once you're finished with that, go ahead and click continue. And after that, you're all set up and your 14-day free trial is activated. Now let's go over some of the key differences of ActiveCampaign and ConvertKit to see exactly which is right for your specific situation. Let's first talk about the intended target audiences of both of these platforms. ConvertKit is primarily geared towards creators like bloggers, YouTubers, podcasters, and other types of creators. ActiveCampaign really is suited for a broader range of businesses, everything from small to medium and even large size companies. Next, let's talk about ease of use. ConvertKit is extremely easy to use as it's created for the creative type. This is going to be a great option for beginners for a one-stop shop for everything for your business. Now, ActiveCampaign is a little bit more of a learning curve, so you might have to have a little bit of technical knowledge to know how to do some of the more advanced features. But once you get the hang of it, it really isn't that hard. It's just learning a little bit more about decision trees if you don't know anything about them. Let's talk about automation. ConvertKit has strong automation features for your emails, but really nothing compares to the best in the business of ActiveCampaign. In terms of CRM features, ConvertKit also lacks built-in CRM features, where ActiveCampaign has a robust CRM part of their platform. So if that's something that you need for your business, then ActiveCampaign is probably going to be the better option. In terms of pricing, ConvertKit is generally going to be a little bit more expensive for larger lists. ActiveCampaign has a little bit more flexible pricing, and it's often considered more cost-effective because of those lower plans. Briefly, let's just go over some of the ConvertKit plans here. You can slide the slider from 0 to 500,000 subscribers. And then there are the options down here for the free, creator, and creator pro. So let's just go ahead and slide this all the way down to 0 to see what it is to start. The free plan is $0, the creator plan is $9, and the creator pro is $25. The free plan is going to include unlimited landing pages, unlimited forms, and broadcasts. But with that creator plan, you're going to get the automation and migration tools. And with this creator pro plan, you really get that advanced reporting that isn't available in the lower options. So let's go ahead and slide this a little higher. Let's say we have 1,000 subscribers. That's going to bump the creator plan up to $25 and the creator pro to $50. You can go ahead and play around with this tool on their website to see what is right for the amount of subscribers that you have. In terms of the pricing for ActiveCampaign, the lowest plan starts at $9 per month, and then it goes up from there to $50 per month for the plus plan. The professional plan is $150 per month, and the enterprise plan is $259 per month. Now just note that depending on how many contacts you have, this price is going to vary. The Lite plan has email marketing and marketing automation features. The Plus plan is going to help you integrate your e-commerce store. The Professional plan is going to have that split automation, that A/B testing that we talked about earlier. And the Enterprise plan has all of the functionality of the entire platform. Now let's talk about integration. ConvertKit integrates well with creator tools and platforms, but ActiveCampaign offers a broader range for your integrations with third-party apps. In terms of design and templates, ConvertKit is a little bit limited, and ActiveCampaign has a wider selection of more advanced design features. In terms of support and community, ConvertKit has ActiveCampaign Beat. Their platform has great resources to help you grow and to connect with your audience better. Now let's talk about which one you should choose for your situation. If you're a creator and you're looking for an easy platform that has simple automation features, then ConvertKit is going to be the answer for you. But if you're looking for more advanced automation features that are truly the best in the business, and you need powerful CRM capabilities integrated within your email marketing service, then ActiveCampaign is going to be the answer for you. We really love using Campaign. It's such a powerful tool and has some amazing capabilities. And if you want more information on how to use the platform, we'll leave that full beginner's course linked down below in the description to ActiveCampaign. We'll also leave all the other resources that we talked about in today's video down below in the description. If you want to see more content like this in the future, please leave us a like and subscribe down below. Lastly, this channel is dedicated to providing business owners and entrepreneurs like yourself with free videos and tutorials like this one that you saw today. Thank you so much for watching. We wish you the best on your entrepreneurship journey, and we will see you in the next video.